That sounds like a robot somebody built in their garage, or a spin-off of the Matrix movies. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today is a good day because I have my lovely, beautiful, wonderful, stunning, talented co-host here, Monsieur Steve. And also today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun. We have a huge box of winter. Where does that beeping come from? Did anyone else hear that? Yes, I do believe I came to the conclusion that everyone else can hear it. I'm very, very sorry about that. Also, I did finally find it. It was in my attic. We have a huge box of winter add-ons here next to me that we're going to be unboxing together. And then there'll also be a giveaway at the end of this video because this is a big box of stuff and I feel like I need to share it with you guys. You're just riveted, aren't you? So stay tuned to the end of the video if you'd like to be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, let's just dive right into this box here. Steve just can't barely hold himself together. It's never a good idea to set the box on the floor next to me, and yet I do it every time. I have no core strength. What am I thinking? I really did not anticipate for the scissors to like fully stab into the box. Oh, there's nothing in there. I just stabbed. For those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that you will receive 4 times a year, and inside of your 4 boxes you're going to be receiving full-size items. These will include fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and wellness items. Each of the boxes is $49.99, but you will receive at least $200 in value each season, and you can also get $10 off your very first FabFitFun box if you use my code. And when you become a member, you have exclusive access to add-ons, which is what we're going to be going through today. FabFitFun, oh my gosh, this box is so heavy. FabFitFun has just opened up their winter add-ons, and these are products that are on an amazing discount that will ship with your FabFitFun box. They tend to sell pretty quickly, so if you're interested, go ahead and pop on over to the website, and if you're already a member and you upgrade to an annual membership, you get early access to the sale, which is pretty cool because I do sell it very fast. So let's go ahead and get on into this box finally. I have already stamped it just a little bit, but I'm going to cut on into the tape and we'll see what are some of the items that are going to be available for the add-ons. Alright, so the very first thing I have on top is something for your fingernails. I went through the effort of painting mine today immediately before I filmed this video, so that means they're already messed up. Isn't that just a good idea? Ooh. So it looks like we have a little system of like nail stuff here from Julep. This is the Brighter is Better Oxygen Brightening Nail Treatment. Literally never in my life have I heard of that before. Take a breather, another oxygen nail treatment, and then Be Strong, yet another oxygen nail treatment. That's so cool. So I would assume like this whole little system goes together. Oh, my fingers look really creepy like that. Very interesting. My nails are crap, so I'll definitely give that a try. All right, next up in some bubble wrap here, we have something from Laura Geller. This is a Montauk Escape Face Palette. Ooh. The outer packaging is like very sleek looking, and I think there's like little blushes and maybe some eyeshadows in here. Oh, that's really cute. So we have like 2 face products here and then 4 little eyeshadows in the center. It looks really like glowy and pretty. It's a really cute little palette. I think this would be perfect to include in the giveaway, so I'll be setting this off to the side and we'll make a little stack of things to give away. How was that again? Steve's a little bit on the tired side today. He has just been really guarding the house this afternoon. All these squirrels and people on bicycles and some elderly people going into the dentist office next door. He's really just been protecting us from so many things. Oh, maybe this is one of the reasons it was so heavy. I have a gigantic box of bath bombs here. This is a Lavender and Patchouli bath bomb. These are organic, they are fragrance. It says they're fragrance free, but they're also scented like lavender and patchouli. So I don't really understand. Maybe it's like chemically fragrances. They're made in Canada, not tested on animals, and not recommended for hot tub use. Whoa! These are biggins. That's like a softball. Look at that thing. So there are the bath bombs. They're huge. They smell fantastic though. They smell really, really relaxing. I'm definitely going to be giving those a try. On the little flap here, it says start the tub, crack the wine, and I'm assuming they mean like crack into the wine, but I'm envisioning myself trying to like get into a tub with a wine glass and just like throwing it and smashing it against the wall. But that's probably not the visual they're going for. Okay, next up here we have a Abo Plus Minus Serum. I bet they just cringe whenever I try to read like a brand name. This is a Face Rejuvenation Suracell Skincare Serum. I really like serums. I feel like they're doing something whenever I use one. So this is what the outer packaging looks like here, if it would ever focus. Or maybe that's just my eyes. My eyes are really blurry. I can't tell if it's not focused or just I have bad eyesight, or both. I think I'm gonna be saving this for the giveaway as well. You guys seem to really get excited about serums, so this will be set to the side. Next we have something from Grace and Stella. It says, we take bath time serious. Seriously fun, that is. Oh, more bath bombs! These have moisturizing shea butters in them. Oh, look how cute! These are tiny little guys, but they look like eggs. They look like little eggs inside their nest. Oh, I love it. Next up here from Pericone MD. This is a Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum, and this is supposed to be a vitamin C ester with omega-3, 6, and 9, and copper triptylate. Ooh, I like the bottle. It's like a black matte glass. That's very cool. All right, I'm excited about this. I'll definitely be giving this a try. Oh, are these socks? Oh, they're called Happy Socks, and that's very apt. It did make me happy. These are super cute. I love the black and white stripes and the little hearts. Those are adorable. Next, we have something from the Beautiful Factor. This is a Milky sticker. Oh. Okay, so they're sheet masks, but I like the name Milky sticker. Whoa, mama, there's a bunch in there. Jeez. Look at that. I will definitely be including some of these in the giveaway as well, because that's just a lot of face masks. Oh my goodness. So that sounds really cool. They're supposed to be for skin balancing, barrier enhancement, active self-reproducing, and healthy skin. Oh my gosh, are these socks too? Are these socks? I think these are socks, not 100% sure, but they're really like fuzzy, and it's also a little sleeping mask. Oh, bless you. Did these make you sneeze? Were they fuzzy? Oh no, don't lick them, honey. I was gonna put these in the giveaway. This is a super cute little set here. I am sorry these got slightly licked by Steve. No, don't lick that one. These are from Portolano, and they look very fancy and very cool. My camera just stopped recording. I have no idea what the last thing I said was. I'm pretty sure it was cool, which I have a very difficult time saying for some reason. Cool. 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 It like sticks in my throat. I can't actually pop it out. Oh, your tiny claws. Your tiny claws. I love you, but your tiny claws. The next item in here, I absolutely love the name because I talk about how I spackle on my makeup all the time, but this is the Spackle Supercharged Fortified Under Makeup Primer from Laura Geller. I don't typically wear primers, but just the name of this makes me want to try it. Is that bad? I really want to try this just because I love the name. I'm actually very, very excited to give that a go. Next, oh, I promise you, I don't do it on purpose. This is from L'Etoile Infine Argentinum. And I apologize deeply if I have mispronounced every single syllable of those words. This is it's a face oil, a twin enhancing face oil. Okay. There's a little string, and I assume you pull. Oh, it's also a sticker. So there is argan oil in this, there's obsidian seed oil and kukui oil as well. This was made in London. Ooh, fancy. This I will be also including in the little giveaway, so I'll set that to the side. Oh, I'm sorry, Stevie, did that scare you? Sorry. Hold on, let me cut it. Okay, so the next item we have here is the Perfect Face Pressed Powder Face Palette from HipDot. I like the swirly little pink and gray. It kind of reminds me of like my channel banner, which kind of reminds me of ice cream, which makes me happy. So in here we have 3 little face items. It looks like we have a highlight, blush, and a contouring bronzing shade. Fancy. I think I also will be including this in the giveaway, so I hope you guys enjoy that. So next up here we have something from DP Hue. This is a Color Fresh shampoo and conditioner, which I assume is supposed to be good for colored hair, but it also says that it brings shine and vitality to natural and color treated hair. So it doesn't really matter, I guess, if you have color treated hair or not. And I'm running low on my shampoo and conditioner, so I'm very excited about this. Oh, another necklace I can put on and then never take off and just continue to add to my collection of weird little necklaces. Oh, that's cute. So I have gold and silver on right now, and now this one is gold with a pearl. So we're just eventually going to cover like all the different types of jewels, gems, and metal finishes. That's really adorable. So this is 18 karat plated from Etika. And I think that's actually where my golden pretzel necklace came from. I don't think it's technically supposed to be a pretzel, but it looks like a pretzel. So it's a golden pretzel to me. We might be getting a little too much here. Oh my gosh, it's not the right necklace. Oh, I'm all tangled. For now, I'm just gonna wear 3 necklaces because I can't figure out which necklace it is to actually take it off. Okie dokie. Next up in here, we have Glowing Essence Complete Serum. This is a hyaluronic acid Matrixyl 3000. That sounds like a robot somebody built in their garage, or a spin-off of the Matrix movies. This is a plant-based retinol replacement with vitamin C and other powerful antioxidants, dual action peptides, and ectoin. So many things you can put on your face that I have no idea what they are or what they do, but I know they're nice. I really like retinol, but I know it can be a bit intense. So that's nice that this is kind of like a replacement for that. It comes in a very dark bottle, which is good for serums, and it has like a little pump to it. I like that. Why is this tiny box so heavy? This is a Heresy Cc Serum, non-greasy, flower-infused conditioning formula that tames flyaways and reading. Why is it so hard? Flyaways and frizziness while boosting shine. Oh, it's gonna be pretty, I bet. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to use it. I just want to set it around. Look how pretty this is. That is absolutely beautiful. They're like little pink flowers floating inside this oil. Oh, this is gonna make me feel fancy. I'm gonna set this out on like a dresser or a bathroom or like in my kitchen or something so people can see it. There is a bit of a smell to it, but it's nothing overwhelming. It just looks beautiful. Very excited about this. All right, next up here we have Heresy for Anthropology Beauty. Okay, so I now know that this is just a line. It's just a vertical line. It's not an eye. So it's called Heresy. Yeah, okay, I'll go now. Is this from like Anthropology, the store where you can buy like very expensive clothing and furniture? I actually do not know, but this is a vanilla milk shea whip body cream. That sounds like it's gonna smell amazing. Oh, I really want to smell it, but I also would love to include it in a giveaway. But it sounds very like rich and luxurious, and I'm sure it feels very good on the skin. And finally, last but not least, we have something in here that I definitely desperately needed. I have been trying my best to keep up with washing my beauty blenders, but they're starting to just literally disintegrate on me. I used this one today, that's why it's really super dirty, but if you guys can't tell, there's a pretty sizable chunk out of it. I don't know how that happened, don't know where the chunk went, don't know what made the chunk, but there's a chunk gone, and I'm sure it's going to just continue to fall apart. So I have another beauty blender here. This is the Electric and Violet Beauty Blender from Beauty Blender. This is definitely my favorite way to apply my foundation, so I'm excited to have yet another one. Yay! Alrighty guys, so that was everything inside of the box. There's a lot of really cool, interesting items this time, so I hope you guys are excited about the little giveaway we're going to be doing. To enter the giveaway is super simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, leave a comment down below letting me know that you would like to be entered, and also a way to contact you. That could be like an Instagram, Twitter, an email, you don't care, like giving out. And then just make sure you're 18 years of age or older or have parent or guardian permission so that I, a stranger on the internet with her fluffy dog that she sometimes has, can send you a package in the mail. Was that your stomach or mine? And yeah, that's pretty much all the rules for the giveaway. The whole stack that I showed you all throughout the video is going to be included in the giveaway, and I hope you guys are excited for it. But anyway, that is all that Monsieur Steve and I have for you guys today, so just thank you so very much for watching, and again, just thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring the video. Again, if you guys would like to save $10 off your very first FabFitFun box, you can use my code right here on the screen. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!